Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a dessert. This one is a keto dessert, and it is from Miss Maria Emmerich on YouTube. Hers is Keto Maria or Maria Mind Body Health. And my mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. But this one is awesome, and it uses a Quip protein powder, which is made from beef protein, not dairy. So if you're allergic to dairy like my mom is, you don't have to worry about it. These turned out awesome. Totally keto-friendly dessert, really delicious. So we definitely think you should give this a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Okay, everyone, as Yoda said, we're making a keto no-bake strawberry cheesecake bars from mariamindbodyhealth.com. She also has a YouTube channel, Maria Emmerich. And we are doing this with Equip Prime Protein. And this stuff is good. It is made of just these ingredients here: beef, protein powder, strawberry, and stevia. And it's got like 1 carb. And it's really good in like 20-something grams of protein per serving. Anyway, it's non-dairy, which is good for me because you know I'm allergic. So I use this protein every day, and I use this grass-fed chocolate-flavored collagen every day. I don't have the chocolate protein powder yet. It's coming in the mail from Equip. So I'm going to use the collagen because it's like 15 grams of protein and chocolate flavored for the topping. So right now we got the cheesecake bars in here. We're using parchment paper in a bread loaf pan. That's the way she did hers. Or you can use an 8x8 pan. And so this is our strawberry protein powder, 3 scoops, and the scoop comes with it. It's in there. 3 scoops of that. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. If you're non-dairy like I am and allergic, we use the Life cream cheese. And then 3 tablespoons of a low-carb sweetener. So we're using Truvia, a couple tablespoons of that, and a couple of tablespoons of this monk fruit sweetener. So that's what's in there. You blend it with a hand mixer and then put it into your parchment paper. And then you put this into the fridge while you are making the chocolate topping. So now we're gonna work on the topping while the cheesecake bars are in the fridge. So we're using 5 tablespoons of butter and 1 ounce of baker's chocolate unsweetened. I didn't have that. I'm gonna need to get some, but I did have one that was 69% dark chocolate, so not very much sugar at all. So we're using that, just 1 ounce of that, and you chop it up fine, and you put it in a microwave-safe dish, which this is. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 20-second increments until it melts, and you stir in between. Okay, so we've added the chocolate topping. I did not have protein powder. I wish I would have, because this was difficult to mix as collagen, but you use a scoop. Again, it comes in the bag after you have melted the chocolate and the butter together, and then 3 tablespoons of either monk fruit, stevia, allulose, some sort of keto sweetener. So that's what we mixed in, and then you pour it on top of your cheesecake bars, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge for 4 hours to set. All right, our cheesecake bars are done. If you can see the layers here, there is the strawberry and there's the chocolate. Yummy, yummy. So they've been in the fridge for 4 hours to set up, but honestly, I think I'm gonna put them in the freezer until our lasagnas are done so that we can have them, and they'll be a little harder, but they're really good. I tried one, obviously. Yummy. Give it a try.